The last thing we need to talk about is congruent angles and angle bisectors. So a congruent angle, two angles that have the same measure. In this case we have angles A and angles B, and they have the same measure as indicated by the line that is between them that's in red. And then what we would say is that we have the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B, and that's just showing you that we have them, that they're equal to. We could also say that these angles are congruent as well, so we could say that angle A is congruent to angle B. The last thing that we have here is an angle bisector. An angle bisector is just a ray that divides an angle into two angles that are congruent. And then I have a diagram. So in the diagram below we have BD, and B is this point, our angle point. So BD. So this really means that we get this angle, and I have a misprint in here, so please change this. We get angle ABD. So ABD here is congruent to our angle DBC, which is our second one over here. And therefore the measure of angle ABD equals the measure of DBC. So this angle in here, these angles are the same. So what I'm going to do, if I erase all that, and what I would do is I would say that this angle here, this angle ABD equals this angle over here. And all I'm doing is, I'm just, to make this easier, I'm drawing this. And that means that we have equal angles. And then if I did this again somewhere else and I have equal angles, then I might draw two lines that would signify they're equal. And typically you might get something that looks like this, where you get lines and you get lines like this, and that signifies that those lines are equal. So like if you have a big drawing, you might have something like this and this in the same drawing. This signifies those are equal, this one signifies those are equal, this one signifies those are equal.